Hello students, I am Sayyada here and today I am going to teach you English chapter number 1, Two Stories part 3. Students, are you ready with your book, pencil and your eraser? Today I am going to start with the extra questions. Students, please write the date in the margin and the heading as extra questions. Let us begin the first question. Choose the right words. Please write the heading, students. Choose the right words. The first question is, Neha is a girl slash. Students, what do you mean by slash? Can you see the slanting line? This is called a slash. It means either or. So the sentence goes like this: Neha is a girl or a boy. Students, can you guess the answer? Who is Neha? Is she a girl or is she a boy? Well done, students. So please take the word GIRL, girl. Neha is a girl. Full stop. Please do not forget to put a full stop at the end of your sentence. Let's move on to the second sentence. The frog is in a box slash bottle. And then please put a full stop at the end of your sentence. Students, can you guess the answer? The frog is in a box or is it in a bottle? Very good, students. The answer is box. The frog is in a box. So please take the word BOX, box. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Amit slash Neha is a boy. Students, is Amit a boy or is Neha a boy? Very good. So the answer is Amit is a boy. Please take the word AMIT, Amit. Please take the word AMIT, Amit. Next, number 4. The apple is made of mud. The apple is made of mud. And on the next page, students, we have the word paper. PAPER, paper. So students, can you guess the answer? The apple is made of mud or is it made of paper? Very good. The apple is made of MUD, mud. Next, let's move on to the next question, students. Question number 5. Renu Raj has a frog. Students, can you guess the answer? Who has a frog? Renu or Raj? Very good, students. The answer is RENU, Renu. Please take the word Renu. Now let's move on to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first sentence is, the apple is made of mud. I repeat, the apple is made of mud. Please underline the word apple, apple. Let's move on to the second one now. The frog, frog is in a box. I repeat, the frog is in a box. Please underline the word frog, frog. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Neha has an apple. Neha has an apple. Please underline the word Neha. 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 Let's move on to question number 4. Renu. Renu. Has a frog, frog. Please underline the word Renu, Renu. Students, let's move to the next question. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Why does Raj say oh? Students, do you remember why does Raj say oh? Is it because he, the options are on the next page. Is it because he is afraid of frogs? Students, do you remember, is Raj afraid of frogs? No. Does he like frogs? No. Or is he surprised? I told you the meaning of surprise means to be shocked. So the answer is surprise. So please put a tick in box C. I repeat, why does Raj say oh? Is it because he is surprised? Let's move on to question number 2. Why can't Amit eat the apple? I repeat, why can't Amit eat the apple? Again, I have given you 3 options, A, B and C. The first option is because it is made of mud. The second option is because it is made of clay. And the third option is because it is raw. R-A-W, raw. Raw means which is not ripe. Raw means which is not ripe. Ripe means pakka. And raw means kacha. So the answer is because it is made of M-U-D, mud. Please put a tick in option A, students. I repeat, why can't Amit eat the apple? And the answer is because it is made of mud. Now, let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Who has a box? I repeat, who has a box? The first option is Raj. The second option is Renu. And the third option is, students, on the next page, it is Amit. So what is the right answer? The correct answer is Renu. Who has the box, students? Renu. R-E-N-U, Renu. Please put a tick in option B. Now, let's move on to the next page. Let's read question number 4. What is made of mud? I repeat, what is made of mud? And again we have got three options. The first option is an orange, second option is a mango, and the third option is an apple. So students, can you guess what is made of mud? Well done, an apple. So the answer is an apple. Please put a tick in option C, an apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 5, the last question. Raj is, what is Raj? When he sees a frog in the box, what happens to him? The first option is surprised. Is he surprised on seeing a frog? Or is he happy? Or is he angry? You remember students, Raj is surprised, happy or angry? Superb. Raj is surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. The meaning of surprise is shocked. So students, the answer is surprised. So please put a tick in surprise. Students, here we come to the end of lesson number 1, 2 stories, part 3. Thank you students for watching this video. Goodbye.